Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo N53 and let me share with you how to change video resolution of this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one as the settings will change accordingly to the mode, and then we can enter the settings in the right upper corner. Now let's simply tap on video size, and as you can see we've got three different options, two different HDs and SD. All you have to do is to tap on the option you want to, and as you can see it will be immediately applied and it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen size to record the video. Of course it's up to you, but I highly recommend to keep this option turned on as it is the best possible here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.